Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Microsoft Surface Pro 7. If you don't want to spend a lot of money on a gaming tablet, the Microsoft Surface Pro 7 is a solid option. Because this tablet has a 10th generation Intel Core processor, popular games with less demanding graphics run smoothly. This chip works in tandem with the Intel Iris Plus graphics to provide the best graphical performance in most titles while not overheating your tablet. The 12.3-inch display with a resolution of 2736 by 1824 provides precise visuals to make your games more engaging. This large screen makes games feel less cramped, despite the tablet's light weight of 1.7 pounds. Next gen, best-in-class laptop with the versatility of a studio and tablet, so you can type, touch, draw, write, work, and play more naturally. Faster than Surface Pro 6, with a 10th general Intel Core processor redefining what's possible in a thin and light computer. More ways to connect, with both USB-C and USB-A ports for connecting to displays, docking stations and more, as well as accessory charging. Our second best tablet for gaming is Lenovo Tab P11 Plus. If you want the best Android tablet for gaming that delivers excellent sound quality at a reasonable price, consider the Lenovo Tab P11 Plus. The 4 Dolby Atmos speakers create a realistic surround sound experience that puts you right in the middle of the action. You don't need to connect the tablet to an external audio device with these speakers because they create the necessary tension to make gaming more impactful. This tablet is powered by a MediaTek Helio G90T octa-core processor running at 2.05 GHz, allowing you to play a variety of games without issue. In addition, the Mali G76 MC4 GPU ensures that less demanding games run smoothly without shuddering or buffering. Another noteworthy feature is the tablet's 7700 mAh battery, which can last up to 15 hours on a single charge. Although your usage and other factors influence how long this battery will last, it is one of the highest ratings for a large screen tablet. This Android tablet features a large, 11-inch screen with 2K resolution. You'll enjoy beautiful video in the IPS LCD touch display and great audio through quad speakers with user-facing stereo tuned by Dolby Atmos. Third choice in our list is Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. The Galaxy S7 Plus is Samsung's flagship device that checks all of the best Android tablet gamers boxes. The tablet has a stunning display and a powerful CPU that elevates gaming to a whole new level. This is a complete entertainment package, with Dolby Atmos surround sound delivered by AKG quad speakers. The tablet is powered by Qualcomm's 865 Plus engine, with graphic processing handled by Adreno 650. Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus is one of the company's most powerful chips to date. It is about 10% faster than 865, which had fans. Aside from providing exceptional performance, the Adreno 650 is also one of the most power-efficient graphic cores ever developed. As a result, even after heavy use, the tablet still has an average battery life of 8 hours. Because the Galaxy S7 is compatible with Bluetooth gaming controllers, it is a popular gaming device. With this tablet, you can play games on an immersive screen wherever you want, with excellent graphics and sound quality. Furthermore, the device works with both smart keyboards and the S Pen. It is lightweight and portable, weighing only about 2 pounds. It excels in both fields, whether you refer to it as a working tablet or an entertainment device. Number 4 in our side is Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus has exceptional specs, making it the best Samsung tablet for gaming. Its large 12.4-inch AMOLED display is a standout feature, with ultra-fast motion responses that allow you to enjoy your games with little to no lag. Its 2800 by 1752 resolution makes images vivid and colors punchy, highlighting information about various characters. A 10,090 mAh battery powers the device for 7 to 12 hours, depending on brightness, volume, and runtime. It's a strong selling point, especially with the large display, because you won't have to worry about your device shutting down in the middle of a competitive game. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, in conjunction with the 8GB RAM, enables efficient and quick processing of demanding games. This gaming tablet has 128GB of internal storage and can hold several games, depending on the titles. You can increase the storage capacity to 1TB, giving you plenty of room to keep some of your favorite games. For details, let's watch more. Last in our top 5 best tablet for gaming list is Samsung Galaxy Tab A7. The Galaxy Tab A7 is a gaming enthusiast's dream come true. Not only does the device have sturdy components, but it also has a battery that can last for more than 10 hours. It also has a brilliant display and a high-quality audio system. Its main engine is the Snapdragon 662, putting it in a class above its predecessors. Despite the high graphics settings, the chipset can run even the most demanding games without lag. The performance is just a tad lower than that of the more powerful S7 Plus. If you're willing to make a minor sacrifice in terms of graphics, the difference won't be noticeable. The battery life on the Tab A7 is exceptional. You can spend hours binge watching your favorite series. Despite having a large battery, it only weighs 1.04 pounds, which is impressive. Samsung did an incredible job here. Because it includes a keyboard, you can also use it as a laptop. Furthermore, it runs flawlessly for all of the applications required to draft documents and notes. Those who want to carry their devices around campus while playing games in their spare time should opt for this device. For details, let's watch more. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.